So word on the street is there might be a new leak coming from Bambu Lab. Apparently the H1 printer, which is more of a printer that people would have wanted rather than the H2D. So I decided to look further into this and I did an article, so let's go right through it. Okay, so Bambu Lab H1 leak, is it AI? Are they just rumors or is it a marketing stunt? So I went in and did a deeper dive into this to kind of figure out what's going on. And mainly it came from this one tweet. So let's take a closer look at this, right? So I looked into this guy's profile and it looks like he's been into the 3D printing space for a few years. He's like got an engineering background, I think. So he went and tweeted this picture. So this is literally the original source. And he says the image credit is from WeChat, which is like basically a Chinese version of WhatsApp. So we've got this picture here. Looks like it's got an A1 kind of drive, 340mm build height, and looks like a single head nozzle rather than a dual head like the H2D. And this was posted on the 4th of June, so it's very interesting stuff. And yeah, I just wrote a bit about like the background of this guy. And we had like a lot of chat over on Reddit. Got a lot of people kind of discussing this, going through, talking about the build height. And yeah, I wrote down some interesting things about like what kind of differences it'd have. So yeah, we got the build height 340mm, single nozzle print head. And then the drive shaft motion wheel is just like the A1. So hopefully it's got the quick changing nozzle, just like the A1 as well. And apparently there's a tool head camera near the nozzle. So that should be pretty interesting. And this second part here, or this last part, the H2D nozzles have a machine readable code, but this leaked picture shows the front plate on the print head is covering it. So it might mean there's less self-monitoring cameras than the H2D. So yeah, this post goes on to say that there's people speculating that Bambu Lab could be looking to release it at a lower price. So obviously a large format printer is what everyone wants, and it seems like it's a way better idea for a printer that we'd all want. And it might have the same XY dimensions, just a bit bigger in the Z-axis. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, one comment said it's basically like the P1S of the H2D world. So A1 style nozzles along with the new H2D style bridge and large build plate. And yeah, some people are saying it could be like an AI picture. From looking at it, it doesn't particularly look like AI, but obviously AI is getting a lot better, so it could be, you never really know. Usually the giveaways used to be the text, but now the text has gotten a lot better with pictures, so it's hard to say. And yeah, some people are saying it might just be a marketing strategy to kind of spark hype, you know. Obviously people are going to be talking about this if the news does come out, so Bambu Lab might have done this intentionally for like a marketing plot. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, 3D Farmer did a pretty good video on this, so you can check that out in the article. So yeah, definitely comment below. Do you think this is real? Do you think this is just a marketing plot, or is it like AI? Definitely put your opinions in. I think if they do this, then it'd be a great idea. If it is just like AI, they need to make this like a real thing, definitely.